The area between a curve and the x-axis is defined as follows. The area equals to the integral of fx dx from a to b, where fx is larger than or equal 0 and a less than or equal x less than or equal b. Example 1. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equals x times 4 minus x and the x-axis. Solution. Firstly, we have to sketch the curve of y equals x times 4 minus x, which is a quadratic function. Here is how to sketch the curve of the quadratic function y equals x times 4 minus x. And using these features, we sketch the diagram as follows. And this is the area that we are going to find. If we calculate the area as an integral, so the area will be the integral of x times 4 minus x dx from x equals 0 until x equals 4. Calculate this equals the integral of 4x minus x squared dx from 0 to 4 equals 2x squared minus x cubed over 3, with the lower limit equals 0, the upper limit equals 4. Substitute the values of 4 and 0, we will have this following. Simplifying this will give the result 10 2 over 3 units square. Example 2. The diagram shows part of the curve y equals sine 2x plus 3 cosine x. Find the area of the shaded region bounded by the curve and the coordinate axis. Solution. We have y equals sine 2x plus 3 cosine x. Find the x-intercept when y equals 0. So sine 2x plus 3 cosine x equals 0, 2 sine x times cosine x plus 3 cosine x equals 0, and factorizing this will give cosine x times 2 sine x plus 3 equals 0. So we have cosine x equals 0 or 2 sine x plus 1 equals 0. From here we have x equals pi over 2 or x equals 3 pi over 2, and sine x equals negative 3 over 2, which is rejected. Therefore, the value of x that we are going to use is x equals pi over 2, because this is the first x-intercept. Since x equals pi over 2, then the x-intercept is pi over 2, 0. And here is the point of the intersection. Now, the area of the shaded region is defined as a equals the integral of sine 2x plus cosine x dx from 0 to pi over 2. And then, this will be negative 1 over 2 cosine 2x plus 3 sine x with the lower limit 0, upper limit pi over 2. Substituting these values by the definition of definite integral, we have this following. And the result is 1 over 2 plus 3 minus negative 1 over 2 plus 0 equals 4 units square. The area between a curve and the y-axis is defined as follows. A equals the integral of gy dy from c to d, where gy is larger or equal 0 and c less than or equal x less than or equals d. Example 3. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equals 2x minus 1, the y-axis and the lines y equals negative 1 and y equals 2. Here is the diagram. Solution. From the diagram, we know that the lower limit is y equals negative 1 and the upper limit is y equals 2. Because y square equals 2x minus 1, then this function should be expressed in terms of y. So, y square equals 2x minus 1, 2x equals y square plus 1, x equals half of y square plus 1. Therefore, the area of the shaded region is a equals the integral of 1 over 2 y square plus 1 dy, with the lower limit y equals negative 1 and the upper limit y equals 2. So simplifying this will give 1 over 2 times the integral of y square plus 1 dy from negative 1 until 2 equals 1 over 2 times 1 over 3 y cubed plus y, with the lower limit negative 1, upper limit equals 2. By the definition of the integral, we have this following result. So the result will be 9 over 3 or 3 units square. To find the area between a curve and a line, let's see this example. In the diagram, the shaded region is bounded by the curve y equals x squared plus 1 and the line x plus y minus 3 equals 0. Find its area. Focus on the diagram. The graph of y equals x squared plus 1 is this quadratic graph, and this is the line x plus y minus 3 equals 0. Let's find out the points of intersection of both functions. So the points of intersection, y equals x squared plus 1 and x plus y minus 3 equals 0. Let's change y in terms of x for the second equation. So we have y equals 3 minus x. And from here we obtain x squared plus 1 equals 3 minus x. And by making one side of the equation equal 0, we obtain this. Simplifying this will give x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. By the factorization, we will obtain that x equals 1 or x equals negative 2. Let's say that the point of intersections are A and B. So here, the x-coordinate of A equals negative 2, x-coordinate of B must be 1. Therefore, the area of the shaded region A equals the integral of 3 minus x subtracted by x squared plus 1 dx from negative 2 until 1. Y equals 3 minus x is actually this line above the area of the shaded region. So that's why it is written in the first place. Now evaluating this value will give the integral of negative x squared minus x plus 2 dx from negative 2 until 1. So this will be negative x cubed over 3 minus x squared over 2 plus 2x with the lower limit negative 2 and the upper limit is 1. So by the definition of definite integrals, substituting the values of x will give this following. And the result is 4.5 units square. The area below the x-axis is defined as follows. The area A equals negative of integral fx dx from A to B, where fx is less than or equal 0 and A less than or equal x less than or equals B. Example 5. The diagram shows part of the curve y equals negative 12 over 4x plus 3. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve, the x-axis, the y-axis, and the line x equals 3. Solution. Let's see the diagram. It is easy to observe that the y function is expressed in terms of x, so that the limits must be in x, which is the lower limit x equals 0, the upper limit equals 3. So the area of the shaded region is A equals negative integral of negative 12 over 4x plus 3 dx from 0 to 3. Evaluating this will give 12 times the integral of 1 over 4x plus 3 dx from 0 to 3. And evaluating this will give 12 times 1 over 4 ln 4x plus 3 with the lower limit 0, upper limit 3. By the definition of definite integrals, we evaluate this value. Substitute the values of x will be like this. Evaluating this or simplifying this will give the result 3 times ln 15 minus ln 3, because ln is the natural logarithm, so we can simplify this, becomes 3 times ln 5. The result will be 4.83 units square. Stay at home, tetap semangat!